is over, leave. Don't continue watering a dead flower. The way you know it's time to leave a relationship, it's not just about how much time they spend with you, but how much energy they share with you. If the feelings are mutual, the energy will be equal. But remember, energy is shown in different ways. And often we find people put so much energy into starting a relationship and so little energy into ending one. They expect you to change. Your partner should never expect you to change unless it's for the better. But sometimes it starts to change your very essence. It starts to change your source, who you truly are, what brings you alive. Whenever they expect that to change, it's time to leave. Consider how hard it is to change yourself, and you'll realize what little chance you have in changing anyone else. If you're staying on in a relationship or getting into one expecting the other person to change, you're in this for the wrong reason. And even if the person does change, sooner or later you'll have something else, another update, another upgrade. Don't fall in love with a flower and then try to change its scent. When your fundamental values and beliefs are different. See, values and beliefs are like rocks that keep your relationship grounded. They build the foundation of your relationship. And when you start to see that these are going in two separate ways, two distant paths, that's when you know you need to leave. When the relationship holds you back, preventing both of you from growing as individuals. A relationship is ultimately a third identity formed through two individuals. Every relationship therefore evolves based on how each individual is growing. Sometimes one will grow faster than the other. Sometimes you'll be growing at the same time, and sometimes both of you will stop growing. That's when you know it's time to leave. When you keep reliving over and over again past memories and have stopped creating new ones in the present. Things change. People change. If the feelings are no longer there, it's time to move on. Sometimes we stay in a relationship because of the nostalgia. We live in the memories of the past. We walk through them over and over again, thinking about how amazing things were, not realizing that we haven't created one of those moments for days, months, or years. You know it's time to leave, not when someone makes too many mistakes, but when they make the same mistake too many times. See, relationships are constantly trying to teach us, constantly trying to get us to learn, and if we don't learn the lesson now, we're forced to learn it again and again and again. Letting go means coming to the realization that some people are better left as part of your history than trying to drag them into your future.